Ripple is struggling to move upwards, and it will continue to struggle. Hi, my name is Raji, and I do technical analysis for educational purposes and for fun. So, Ripple has been trying to actually overcome the downward trend, and it's been trying to overtake the 5-hour moving average line and the 50-hour moving average line. And it has been successful a couple of times, yet it failed again, and I still believe it will fail over and over again. And I'll tell you why just shortly. Bear with me until the end of the video so you'll better understand what I'm analyzing and what is my price prediction for Ripple. Um, so on the hourly, it's currently at 1.5697. It's below the 5-hour moving average line, which is 1.5898, and it's well below the 50-hour moving average line, which is 1.6033. So if we look at the stochastic RSI, you'll notice that it's weak bearish. It is currently at 64.14, and the signal is 74.58, so the signal is literally 10 points behind it. However, it is trying to actually turn around and become bullish, but it's kind of weak, and you can tell by expanding the chart a little bit, but it's definitely attempting to do so. From a MACD perspective, it's bearish because you're seeing here the dark red rectangles, and they're increasing in size. And from a TDM squeeze, we also see bearish trend because the light purple is showing up. So again, the objective for Ripple is to overtake the 5-hour moving average line and the 50-hour moving average line, both of which represent strong resistance. Remember, I said if it breaks through 161, it's going to struggle to go back again. Now, let's look at the daily chart, and we'll notice that on the daily chart, the stochastic RSI is very weak, bullish, bearish. Like honestly, it's you can't even define it because it's going straight parallel to the signal. So I would say that it's still very weak and struggling to move up. This is shown also between the alternating colors here on the MACD, dark red to light pink. So ultimately, there's a lot of effort that needs to be done for Ripple to push upwards. And you can see that it's well below the 5-day moving average line, which is 1.5996, and way below the 50-day moving average line, which is 1.9286. So if we look at the weekly, you'll notice that this is quite bearish. You can see that it is at 2.76 from a stochastic RSI perspective, and the signal is 13 points behind it. So it still has time to actually catch up with the signal, which is, if anything, is an indication that this is going to go more bearish, in my opinion. From a monthly perspective, also quite bearish. As you can see right here, it is actually at 0, and the signal is 12.9 points behind it. So it still has room to actually drop. And you can see right here, this is the point where I said in my previous videos that if it breaks through it, which is 1.61, then it has a chance to drop even more. I still believe that is the case, and it will. If we look right now, definitely 1.49 is another support level, but I'm really curious around 1.31. So I'm still going to say that 1.31 is still in play for Ripple. So keep a close eye. And if you like this video, please press the like and subscribe in order to watch more of these analysis. The past couple of videos have been spot on, and keep your eye very close on this one. I really believe that it's going to head to 1.31 eventually. Thank you and have a great day.